All right, y'all. Last time I was here, I did the 10 minutes. I ran 10 minutes, man. Getting better and better. You know, right now I'm currently in Afghanistan, and you know I'm still doing what I gotta do to succeed with this mission. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do it with the music this time, but the next time I upload the 10 minutes, I'm gonna do 10 minutes probably like three, 4 times. Next time I upload with 10 minutes, I'm gonna do it straight away so y'all can see the whole process of what I'm doing, how I'm breathing, everything. You know, no music. I'm just gonna be looking at this TV and getting, you know what I'm saying? That's a different type of meditation right there. So I'm gonna be back at y'all when I finish this 10 minutes, man.
I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. Them fancy cars, they call the roads. Them condos on the top floors. Them
Okay, y'all. Did it 10 minutes, baby. Getting there, baby. I'm feeling good. Definitely looking good, you know what I'm saying? Did it 10 minutes, man. Proud of myself. Screaming from Afghanistan, you did? Let's do this. Put in this work, baby.
had to get on my feet, no sleep, working so hard that I forgot to eat. Remember those days?